as a consumer that's trying to watch out for high blood pressure and watch out for heart disease, how do you have any idea what fats to choose? Because what you've seen in the media in these past few years has to be incredibly confusing to you. We as registered dietitians pay a lot of attention to this science and do a lot of continuing education related to this. We also have friends that are in food science that help us to be able to look at this information in a different way. First and foremost, if you can generally stick with any added fats that you're adding to something along the line of olive oil and canola oil, those are your best options. But even in adding those, a small amount has a very large amount of calories because they're very calorie dense. Palm oil is incredibly unheart healthy as a fat for us. And they are using palm oil in a lot of places where they used to use partially hydrogenated oils or they used to use trans fats. And this actually tricked us up as a family because we've been kind of trying to kick out chips and kick out some of those things that we like to snack on, and we've gone more to a microwave popcorn. Sure enough, our microwave popcorn had palm oil in it. We have to just keep watching, even as professionals can get caught sometimes if we're not looking at that ingredient list as well as looking at the label. Items such as shortening is largely palm oil. Items such as coconut oil, which coconut oil's press has been very confusing to people. What I can tell you is this: coconut oil is great for your skin. The jury is out related to it being as good of a choice for you using it within your diet. Also, there's a lot of confusion related to margarine and butter. There is a big difference between different margarines and butters. For instance, this particular margarine is about 53% vegetable oil, and it does not have any hydrogenation or any palm oils listed. However, if you go with straight butter has 7 grams of saturated fat for every tablespoon. And so if you're using that a lot in recipes, it can really add up. So again, really just being careful with what you're adding, recognizing the fact that most of our fats that we have, it's really already existing in items that come onto our table without us having added any extra fat. So if you pay close attention to your saturated fat, your palm oils, and any partial hydrogenation in your items, and the amounts that you're having, it will make for both a healthier heart and a healthier future for you and your family.